Cleaning windows is one of those chores almost nobody enjoys. It's messy, time-consuming, and if you have tall windows or live in an apartment, it can even feel a little risky. But what if a robot could do it for you? Not just glide around randomly, but actually spray, wipe, and leave your windows looking crystal clear. Today we're checking out 3 window cleaning robots that actually work in 2026. Some are built for huge glass doors. Others are perfect for small apartment windows. But all of them promise to make window cleaning a whole lot easier. So if you're tired of streaks, ladders, and endless wiping, let's see which of these robots is actually worth your money. Let's start with number 3, ECOVAX Windbot Mini. If you've ever looked at window cleaning robots before, you probably noticed something. Most of them are big, and that's a problem when your windows are small. That's exactly why the Windbot Mini exists. This thing is about 37% smaller than previous models, and that size difference actually makes a huge impact. Suddenly, the robot can clean windows that other robots simply can't reach. We're talking about windows as small as 30 centimeters on one side. That means bathroom windows, small apartment windows, even narrow glass panels that most robots would completely ignore. When you place it on the glass, the robot creates suction and locks itself to the surface. Then it immediately scans the window and maps out the best path using WinSlam 3.0 path planning. Instead of wandering randomly, it moves side to side in a very controlled pattern, slowly covering the entire surface. And here's where it gets interesting. The ultrasonic spray system doesn't just shoot water onto the glass. It turns water into a fine mist, almost like fog, which spreads evenly across the surface. That means less dripping and fewer streaks while it wipes everything clean with the microfiber pad underneath. Watching it work is oddly satisfying. It glides across the glass, spraying a mist, wiping everything down, and carefully stopping right at the edge thanks to its sensors. It even avoids obstacles like window handles or small bumps on the frame. Now, because the robot is small, it's surprisingly versatile. You can use it on mirrors, glass doors, shower panels, and those tricky windows above the sink that nobody wants to reach. But there are a couple things you should know. This model uses a power cable, so it has to stay connected to an outlet while it works. That means your cleaning range is limited by the length of the cable. And while the suction is strong, the robot relies on that cable and a safety rope as a backup, just in case. That said, once you see it cleaning small windows that bigger robots struggle with, it's clear why this model exists. If your home has lots of compact windows or tight spaces, the Windbot Mini makes window cleaning surprisingly simple. But if you're dealing with large windows or sliding glass doors, the next robot steps things up. Next at number 2, EcoVax Windbot W2S Omni. Now we're moving into serious territory. The Windbot W2S Omni is built for larger windows and heavier cleaning. Right away, you notice the difference. Instead of just a robot, this system comes with a full station that acts as a battery, control center, storage case, and stabilizer all in one. The robot connects to this station with a cable, and the station itself sticks firmly in place with a large suction base. It sounds complicated, but in practice it's actually very simple. Place the robot on the glass, press the start button, and it immediately locks onto the window with 8,000 pascals of suction power. That's strong. Strong enough that when it grabs onto the glass, you can feel that it's not going anywhere. Once it starts moving, you'll notice something clever happening near the edges. The robot uses True Edge technology, which lets the cleaning pads reach incredibly close to the corners, about 1.1 millimeters from the frame. If you've ever cleaned windows manually, you know corners are always the annoying part. Dirt collects there, and normal cloths never quite reach. This robot solves that with automatic pad lifting. When it detects a window frame, the pads adjust so it can scrub the edge more precisely. Once it leaves the frame area, they lift again to keep the movement smooth. And then there's the spray system. Instead of one nozzle, the robot uses 3 wide-angle spray nozzles that boost cleaning pressure and spray duration dramatically. So when it moves across the glass, it sprays a thin layer of solution ahead of the cleaning pads. Dried fingerprints, dust, and regular dirt start dissolving instantly. You can literally see the path it leaves behind as it wipes the glass clean. During testing, the cleaning results were honestly impressive. Even stubborn marks disappeared in a single pass, and unlike many competing robots, the side rollers didn't leave strange streaks behind. The navigation was also surprisingly smooth. The robot didn't miss areas or repeat sections unnecessarily, but it's not completely perfect. The battery life, for example, is a little below average. On a full charge, you're looking at roughly 15 square meters of cleaning, depending on the mode, and the station's power cable is fairly short, around 120 centimeters, which means you'll need an outlet nearby. Still, for everyday window cleaning, especially on large glass panels, the W2S Omni handles the job extremely well. And thanks to its 12-stage safety system, even if the power drops, the robot can remain attached to the glass for about 30 minutes, giving you plenty of time to retrieve it. But if you want the most advanced model in this lineup, the next robot takes things even further. Finally, at number 1, ECOVAX Windbot W2 Pro Omni. At first glance, the Windbot W2 Pro Omni looks similar to the W2S, but once you start using it, the upgrades become obvious. This is essentially the flagship window cleaning robot from ECOVACS, and it's built to handle almost any type of glass surface you throw at it. Just like the previous model, it includes a multifunction Omni station, but this one acts as a 6-in-1 system. It charges the robot, controls it, stores accessories, stabilizes the cable, and even functions as a portable storage unit. Everything stays neatly packed together, which is surprisingly convenient when you're moving the robot around the house. The biggest improvement here is the cleaning efficiency. The W2 PRO uses a brushless motor combined with WindSlam 4.0 intelligent path planning, which boosts cleaning efficiency by about 30%. In simple terms, the robot moves smarter. Instead of wasting time on unnecessary movements, it calculates a more efficient path across the glass, handles, turns smoothly, and detects edges with better accuracy. Watching it clean a giant sliding glass door is honestly pretty satisfying. It moves in clean, organized lines, sprays solution ahead of the pad, and wipes everything down with impressive consistency. The 3-nozzle wide-angle spray system also gets a serious upgrade here, increasing water pressure and spray duration so stubborn dirt dissolves more easily. When tested on large glass doors covered in fingerprints and dust, the robot handled the job surprisingly well. Smudges disappeared quickly, and even tricky corners came out clean. Another nice feature is the dual power modes. You can run the robot entirely on battery for about 110 minutes, which covers roughly 55 square meters of glass. Or, if you have an outlet nearby, you can switch to plugged-in mode and let it run continuously without worrying about battery life. That flexibility makes it useful for everything from balcony windows to massive floor-to-ceiling glass walls. Safety is also a major focus here. The W2 PRO includes a 12-stage protection system combining sensors, suction monitoring, and a safety cable to make sure the robot stays attached to the glass. Even if the battery runs low, the robot returns to its starting position and waits there while sounding an alert. But let's talk about the honest side of things. This robot isn't cheap. The list price sits around $700, although sales often bring that price down quite a bit. And like most window robots, if your windows are extremely dirty, like months of grime, you may still need a quick wipe afterward to remove tiny residue marks. But for regular maintenance cleaning, this machine does an incredibly solid job. Large windows, mirrors, shower glass, sliding doors, it handles all of them with very little effort from you. And once you get used to letting a robot clean your windows while you relax, going back to manual cleaning feels pretty outdated. So after testing these 3 robots, here's the simple breakdown. If you have small windows or tight spaces, the Windbot Mini is the easiest and most practical choice. If you want strong edge cleaning and solid performance on large windows, the Windbot W2S Omni does an excellent job. And if you want the most advanced window cleaning robot with smarter navigation and higher efficiency, the Windbot W2 Pro Omni easily takes the top spot. The idea of a robot cleaning your windows might sound futuristic, but in 2026, it's actually a very real and surprisingly satisfying upgrade for your home. And honestly, once you watch one of these machines glide across the glass and leave a clean window behind, you might never want to pick up a window cloth again.